Wondering what I'm doing? I'm dressing up your walls. So welcome back to Space of Joy. At Space of Joy, we style your spaces. We make beautiful storytelling wallpapers and wall art. And the beauty is that we bring in a lot of luxury to your space, but being very, very affordable. So let me show you some tips and tricks to style your space or style your walls in a way where they will actually speak back. In your last video, I spoke to you about how wallpapers have evolved. So when you see this beautiful wallpaper, where you have these lovely water paints, because we hand paint all our designs and we curate our designs. So we have this little cat who was looking outside and wondering where the animals were sailing to. We thought, let's add a nice feel of softness to it. So the child can actually remove the cat, play with it, and when he's done, all you need to do is just put it back. Now this cat can be replaced with a whiteboard film, with a blackboard film. So it becomes very interactive. So all he can do is, you have a whiteboard film and he's writing on his cat, the cat is narrating a story to him. As a parent, you can put in a thought of the day on that, and that can become such an interesting thing. So if you don't have a lot of space, but you still want to add a pop of fun there, all you need to do is paste a small little decal and connect it with a lamp. Or there are so many ways. We did this for a client actually. They wanted their own dog touching the moon. So we actually put their dog's image in the moon, and there was an entire sky field in the background. At the same time, there are so many ways to, add that little glimpse of joy. So when you see this fairy, again, this can be added as a small little light element or a night lamp, in your child's room. If you see, so it's a minimalistic halo where nothing is visible. It's so clean, and she's going to show it off to all her friends all the time, and it's always going to be so interesting for her. This, I showed it to you in the beginning. This is every little girl's dream. Dream is to be a fairy. Her dream is to dress up. Every time she looks at this doll, she's going to feel she's a fairy herself. And I think it's an absolute treat for your daughters. Then we have this resin art butterfly. So if you see, it just completes, and it has this little sparkle inside, which makes it look very pretty. Pichwai is the most beautiful storytelling, way of art. We have so many beautiful stories of the life in Vrindavan. So we have just picked up all of that, and then just highlighting it will completely change the look and feel. Otherwise, Pichwai is very common, but when you add a tinge of mirror work with little leap in here. So if you see, this is beautiful 3D window that's made here in such a minimalistic way where you would really enjoy using this in your space, and it is not going to pinch you, because this is a very affordable way of adding that fun to your space. If you see these beautiful metal birds, so you have just birds flying in, and that little spark of gold is always going to look luxury in your space. You see these embroidery in the trees. And then not to forget our worshipped Nandi. So if you see the little meenakari that's done in this. So the way we have meenakari on this, in a similar way, we have done Tanjore work. We've done just gold highlights. We've done like a lot of different styles of work. We've done embroidery on Nandi. There are so many ways of adding that fun to your space. So these were small tips and tricks, how they could add beauty and how they could make your walls completely speak to you. Now I'm going to be talking to you about materials in our next upcoming videos. Will this last? Is the fabric going to come off? What is linen fabric and what is silk? How can you have silk on the walls? I'm sure you have a lot of questions which we are going to unveil in our upcoming video. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. We are right here to help you bring joy to your space.